So here we are expected to find the value of x in that right angle triangle. So remember, we need to confirm that it is a right angle triangle. How do we confirm it? First, one of the angles must be 90 degrees, right? So since this is 90 degrees, we know that this is a right angle triangle, okay? The next thing we are going to check is, what are we going to use? Are we going to use SO? Are we going to use CA? Are we going to use TAN or TOA? Okay? So it depends on the values we are giving. So let's look. This is the 90 degrees. Therefore, this is the hypotenuse. Okay? This is the angle theta. Therefore, this is the opposite. And this is the adjacent. So the missing side shows us what we are going to use. The missing side. So if you look at this side is missing. Therefore, anything that contains hypotenuse cannot be used. So the missing side is the hypotenuse. There's nothing on the hypotenuse. So since there's nothing on the hypotenuse, this question has nothing to do with any of the terms that has hypotenuse. So there's hypotenuse here, therefore we cannot use so. CA, there is hypotenuse here, therefore we cannot use CA. Okay? And then TOA, we don't have any hypotenuse. We have opposite, which is here, and adjacent, which is here. So that is what we are going to apply. So we are going to write tan. Remember, I told you earlier that TOA is also called tan. So we are going to write tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So that's what we are going to use. Tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Now, what is our theta? Our theta is the angle here, which is 35 degrees. So we can simply say tan 35 degrees is equal to, what is our opposite? Our opposite is x, all over our adjacent is 12. Well, how do we go further? We know that tan 35 degrees is the same thing as tan 35 degrees all over 1. Because anything divided by 1 is that thing. So now we can cross multiply. This numerator can multiply this denominator, and this numerator can multiply this denominator. So x times 1 will give us x. Tan 35 degrees times 12. So we have 12 times tan 35 degrees. What will that give us? If you have your calculator, you can simply go to your calculator and type tan 35 degrees. Tan 35 degrees. What will that give you? 0.47. I'm going to write it here. So this will give us 12 times 0.47. And 12 times 0.47 will give us 5.64. I don't think that's correct. I don't think that's correct. So that means 0.47 is not correct. 0.7004. Okay. So we multiply that by 12. 12 times 0.7004. And that gives us 8.4. So we have 8.4 centimeter. Okay. 8.4 centimeter. Good.